Apple is still months away from its launch of the iPhone 16 series, but the internet is buzzing with leaks and rumors. We've seen metal mock-ups, leaked images, and even glimpses of internal components of this highly anticipated flagship, the iPhone 16 series. But hold on tight, there's more. According to a recent report, Apple is cooking up something big, a device-based large language model for generative AI. Unlike some competitors that rely on cloud-based solutions, Apple is focusing on bringing AI directly to your device with iOS 18 and the iPhone 16. Plus, they're prioritizing speed and privacy, aiming to incorporate a dedicated AI chip into the iPhone 16 for seamless performance. In line with this vision, Apple has acquired the French AI startup, Datakalab, renowned for its expertise in algorithm compression and embedded AI systems. Founded in 2016 by Xavier and Lucas Fisher, Datakalab focuses on low-power, high-efficiency deep learning algorithms that operate independently of cloud-based systems. This strategic move aligns with Apple's commitment to user privacy, data security, and reliable performance. By processing data on device, the risk of data breaches is minimized, and processing times are expedited. Datakalab's technology has been utilized in various prestigious projects, including collaborations with the French government and Disney. Their specialty lies in analyzing human emotions through facial recognition and visual data, often employed for real-time audience reactions during film screenings. Moreover, Datakalab excels in compressing neural networks to function effectively on devices like smartphones and tablets, making them an attractive acquisition target for Apple. And for those eyeing the future, whispers from China hint at the iPhone 17, possibly adopting Samsung S24 Ultra-inspired anti-reflective coatings and a tougher ceramic shield for added durability. Apple's reputation for security in iPhones is well established. While other flagship brands may be vulnerable to hacking, iPhones are renowned for their robust security measures, making them exceedingly difficult to breach or infiltrate. Do you think Apple's AI will be better than Samsung's AI features? Do you think Apple is a reliable company in terms of user data privacy? Do you plan to buy the upcoming iPhone 16? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.